So I now have a slight problem with one of my devices. This is the cool color that came out, the exclusive color, if you will, that came out for the iPhone Pro Max 11. But the problem with it now is that I've charged this overnight because I haven't used it in a very long time. And well, the battery is 100% completely dead. I tried multiple ways of charging. I tried using my computer. That was my first thing that I did. The second thing I did was doing one of those extension cords. And the last one was plugging it straight into the wall. And neither one of them worked. Now, this is very saddening because I had the 11 Pro Max for 5 years. Or maybe around, no, actually, yeah, around 5 years. Okay, when the iPhone 14 Pro Max came out, I said, yeah, I'll wait a little bit before I get it. And guess what? The 15 was right around the corner, and the Pro Max 14 was pretty darn inexpensive, and I needed it. But I still really do like this phone, and I have a few things that I can do, but, one of the things that I was going to do, I decided not to do because I ended up doing what I'm going to do and make more content off of this phone. The first thing I was going to do was going to a repair shop and seeing if they can fix the device for me. But I looked up online and it's not too hard whenever it comes to, this Apple product to repair it yourself. The battery itself is like $50, which kind of sucks, but hey, if you ask me, that's a pretty good deal to fix your phone. The tools are going to cost me around maybe $9 or $10 off of eBay. And then like magnetic bull if I really wanted one, but I'm just going to use small jars or something like that to keep the screws in there. So I really like this device, and since it's not the hardest thing to repair, I 100% actually recommend to have the self-right to repair option open for you and repair it yourself, because if I replaced the battery a long time ago, I think I would still probably be using this device, or maybe updating it to like maybe the 12 and still using this as a backup device, but I still really love this device.